And this is another rug we're doing. This is a very expensive wool rug. There's a story behind this rug as it being Nixon's rug. I can't 100% confirm that, of course, but the person that owns this rug used to work for Richard Nixon, a very prominent investigative reporter. I can't give away names, but he also worked for Nixon, President Nixon. So this has sentimental value. And I did clean this about a month ago. There was a little spill on here, so they wanted us to go over it again. Now this is the most delicate, safest way to clean wool. I always recommend pit washing for the deep cleanings where you need to do more than a surface cleaning. And by the way, steam is just a surface cleaning on wool rugs. But pit washing, where you put it in a big spa, wash it really good, rinse it, have it dried out, that's the best way. This is the second best way for rugs that aren't that bad off. Wow. This is looking great, by the way. Man, this is a beautiful rug. This is probably one of my favorites that I've cleaned. Cleaned a lot of them. I've cleaned many different rugs. This one is worth about $7,000, just this sort of rug alone. If it's belongs to a celebrity, way more. But a rug like this alone is about $7,000. Just a small one. So it's a beautiful rug. I'm glad they trust us to clean this magnificent rug. I mean, just look at it. It's beautiful. And if there's that history behind it, well, that even means more.